Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a great day. So what I want to do now is continue our conversation on digital transformation, but move away from the technical things that you got to get started on to go more towards the business side, because the reality, the business has much more work to do than the technical side. When you think about any digital transformation, it's all about people, processes, and technology. But that business part of this, that people and processes, is where you should spend the most of your time to make the technology effective. And today I want to really talk about the importance of your vision. Understand, a vision is critical to a successful transformation of any sort, digital transformation or any other transformation. You need to be able to define where you're trying to go, and this is why it's important. A good vision is going to do several things for you. It's going to define and develop, inspire action, and create organizational focus. So define and develop. What is your digital transformation? The words digital transformation does not necessarily mean the same thing to everyone. In fact, it doesn't. It means different things for different people and at different times. Pre-COVID, if you said, I'm going to do a digital transformation, most people would have taken that to expect that you're going to do something with your customer experience so that your customers could have a more seamless journey with dealing with you, from all the way from the sales and marketing processes all the way to post delivery of product and doing the customer service. But now it could also be your employee experience. It could be your supply chain experience. It could be any of your stakeholder experience. And you don't have to do them all at once. In fact, don't do them all at once. Look at them, find what's the most important ones for you to work on, and focus on them first. You can always do another transformation in another area later. If you try to do more all at once, it's going to be hard for you to succeed at that. So that's why vision, first of all, is important, because it defines and develops what you're really trying to accomplish and be able to get that out so everyone understands and sees it. By them going out and seeing it, this inspires action. Without something to look forward to, without seeing that light at the end of the tunnel, without seeing the rosy green field that we're going to because of all these good things, without being able to see the increased profit share that's going to be in their accounts because we are doing such good things, what's going to make them change from the stuff that they do today to day? You have to overcome inertia. The vision does that. And lastly, and not least important, is it creates organizational focus. If you have a muddy vision of what you're trying to accomplish, if you're not well defined to the people of where you're trying to go, you're going to create a bunch of confusion. People are going to take their pet projects and throw it into this mix because that sounds like a part of a digital transformation. How do they know any better if there's no good vision? So it's important. So understand, if you don't do this without a vision, no one's going to know where you're trying to go. They're not going to get any action because there's nothing to overcome the inertia, and they're going to get confused and do whatever they think is right. People aren't going to be doing things wrong because they want to be doing things wrong. They just don't understand what you're trying to accomplish. They haven't been brought into the conversation. So they may think that this pet project of theirs sounds like part of a digital transformation, so I'm going to include it. Understand, at the end of the day, I know this isn't special. Everyone knows this on the importance of a vision, especially in any sort of transformation. But really, at the end of the day, this is what makes people leaders. We have to use visions to be able to inspire people, to overcome fear, and to motivate them to achieve a common goal. If we don't do the vision, if we can't draw it out, if we can't get this all together to succeed how do we really show that we're leading for this digital transformation? So before you do anything else, before you spend lots of money on consultants to tell you what your digital transformation should be and all the details, think about it yourself. What are you truly trying to accomplish? What do you think tomorrow is going to look at? Get that vision in your head so that you can communicate to the consultants, to your people, to everybody, what you're trying to accomplish and why. And this is going to get you much further ahead and get you a lot more action done and give you a greater chance of success than anything else.